What if I say just by tapping on certain points of your body, you will be able to release the emotions and you will be able to attain freedom from your emotions? So today's conversation is all about attaining freedom. So how do we attain it? Watch it on Infort Comedy.
ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಶೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Welcome to Infort Comedy. Today we have Tammy Chowdhury with us to talk about emotional freedom technique. So what is emotional freedom? We will understand it.
Yes.
Welcome to my show.
Thank you so much for having me. So emotional freedom, right? What is that first of all? Why do we need to jump into that technique, right? So our body stores emotion in different places in our body, right? And it can be different for you, it can be different for me, right? Now this tapping technique, there are different elements to EFT. Okay, it helps to release those emotions from those places, right? Now I have to give you a little backstory, right? So basically, the nervous system that we have, right? So there's something called the main nerve called the vagus nerve that connects your body with your brain, right? It basically receives whether you are in your flight or fight or flight mode, or are you in your rest and digestion mode. Sorry, you wanted to say something?
So let us give a gist of what is fight and flight mode and what is in rest mode to our audience.
Okay, sure. So the nervous system basically has two different parts: the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system, right? Now sympathetic nervous system is your fight or flight, right? You're always on your toes, that I have to take this, I have to do this action, I have to keep performing. That is your sympathetic nervous system. That's how it's related. Your parasympathetic nervous system is more about you relaxing. Your digestion is also related to that, right? Now this vagus nerve is something that's the main nerve that is connected with this parasympathetic nervous system, right? Now there's also called amygdala. Amygdala is basically it's behind your brain. That is more into the fear that you feel. It's like a fireball, amygdala, right? Now coming back to where we were about EFT. Now when you tap on certain points, we will go through that. When you tap on those points, you're basically telling your body, your nervous system basically, that you're safe. Because the main job of your nervous system is to keep you safe.
Okay.
Like we were talking the other day, right? That if you're not safe, you're safe in the environment that you're known to. Anything that is outside your normal is danger for your nervous system, which can be a problem. Maybe a success is also seen as danger by your nervous system because that is not normal. That's why before achieving that success, you need to normalize it, like we were saying, right?
Normalize success. So nice to hear.
Yes. Normalize success. So that's one thing. When you're tapping, you're sending your nervous system that, hey, we are fine, right?
Yeah.
The next thing, of course, you're breathing consciously. And then comes you talking out, like we were talking about affirmations, right? So when you talk, when you say, rather than going to what's not happening, you focus on what it is. And there is a certain way of doing EFT. You first acknowledge what you're going through.
Okay.
Right? Like, for example, so in most situations we say that do not talk negative, do not say that I'm going through this, always talk positive, right? EFT, on the other hand, actually tells, even though I'm going through this, so you are accepting. So what's happening? Your nervous system, because if you suddenly tell your nervous system that okay, everything is safe, nervous system, I can see it's not safe.
Okay.
Right? So that's how it starts. So you first agree, you say that I am in this situation, I agree, but even then I choose myself, even then I love myself. You're first acknowledging the situation that you are in, and then you move into something that, okay, this is what I'm ready to get. Okay? There's a process of doing it again, right?
So this is again rewiring your brain.
Absolutely.
So how do we do with this tapping technique?
So there are different points, right? So this is called your karate chops. Okay. So you first, like I always said, what is happening right now? You accept, you normalize that here. Not normalize, my bad. You agree to what's going on. So even though this is happening. You start with those statements with your karate chops. Okay? Then you start with the other points. So what are the other points? The top of your head.
Okay.
Okay, and there's a rhythm that we follow. That's another thing. When you follow a rhythm throughout continuous process, so your body also gets into that rhythm, and the message that goes to your nervous system is also not in a rush. It goes in a very nice way, like that, right? So you tap on your crown. Okay, so let's say 6-7 taps. There is no particular counting. So you tell a sentence and then you go ahead. Then you tap here, just
forehead.
Yeah, forehead, not on the third eye, just where your eyebrow is.
Okay.
Okay, so either here or here, just on top of your eyebrow, right? Then here, the side of your temples. Then below your eyes. Then comes here. Then your chin. Then here. And then your underarm. Right? Not exactly on the pit, just below that. Right? So these are the points, your signal points. The minute we do a process, and it's a process of doing, like how many times it's being done and what are you saying. As I said, it's a mixture of a lot of things that's happening. That's why EFT works so fast, right?
So you pick up an affirmation, or you pick up something that you want to heal for the day.
Yeah.
And you do it once every day, once in a day, or how many ever times?
You can do as many times as you want, because again you're connecting with yourself, right? And there is more you do better. Yeah, rather than doing sitting and watching Netflix, do this, right? Yeah, you should find excuse to connect with yourself.
Do you have certain things that you have done for so many times and then you start feeling the result of it?
It depends. One major thing with all the healing modalities, the entire process, talking to a coach, it starts with your belief. If you do that, okay, it's a process, okay, let me do what Tanvi is doing. Maybe it will work. EFT will still work. But the more you believe that, okay, I am doing this, let me give my entire trust to this process, you will see magic happening.
And you will have to enjoy the process.
Yes. Once you believe, you will enjoy. Like you're cooking your favorite dish. You know it's going to come out really good. You don't worry while cooking your favorite. Oh, will it come out good? You know, you are confident. I'm going to relish this dish after it's done. That's the kind of, confidence you need to have when you start your healing process.
So, what are the conditions that EFT can help in healing?
Anything. Anything. You're procrastinating, you're not consistent, your fears work amazing. Anything.
The people they pick up a lot of things,
Yeah.
The first sight looks very fascinating.
Yeah.
But once you start with the process, you will not have that enthu with which you started with.
Yeah.
Again, you tend to stop it in between.
So that also first you realize where is it coming from. That is the surface problem. What is the deep problem? Maybe you are afraid, what if I succeed?
Oh my God.
That's what I do daily. Right? Figuring out. So you have to first figure out what the root cause is and then do EFT on that. Maybe your childhood belief is that things come difficult to us. So if something which, easily coming, you will be like, oh, it's too easy, okay. And you stop.
Is it good?
That's a different thing. So this is like you are, like let's say your parents or let's say your friends keep saying that, oh, nothing comes easy to us. That's your belief. And you start a project and you see that, oh wow, everyone is praising me, everything is happening, I'm meeting the timeline. Then your body slows down. Okay, that is not normal. So that happens.
So everything falling in place is also normal and you have to normalize.
Yes.
So how long does one take to understand the process and how long does one take to heal?
Understand the process as in, again, so if you're doing with a healer, that would be best because, the sentences that you say, how you say it, how many times it needs to be done, that is best. But these days there are so many videos on YouTube, right? You can follow those as well. But having said that, not that I've watched all the experts or all the videos, but a couple of things that I've watched, they might do it, but they might not follow the actual process. And also people have different ways of doing it, right? So I'm a certified EFT trainer, right? So when I was going through my courses, this was my question, that if it's tapping, if it's sending a signal, I can start anywhere, right? So, my coach mentioned that you can. And again, there are different ways, different people everywhere that they are doing. But if your body normalizes a certain pattern, it will be easy for your body to heal. Rather than today she's doing this, tomorrow she's gonna do that.
Don't confuse your
Yeah.
So if I have to be an EFT trainer, how long is the course?
It depends on who you are doing it and how you are doing it, what level you are doing, and all those things. And basically, you have to understand the basics, right? That the basic is very simple. It depends how quickly you're picking up a script. Are you able to prepare? Sometimes, people know the process, but they are not able to prepare a script immediately. So a lot of elements comes into picture in that case. That's the best thing about EFT, I would say, that even to work on you, it will not take years. It's very quick way, right? And for you to understand also. Yeah.
So that was the show to bring in awareness on a healing technique by name Emotional Freedom Technique. She's an EFT trainer, so if you have any doubts, if you want to get in touch with her, the description box has all her details. You can always get in touch with Tanvi and heal yourself or even learn EFT. That was today's Info at Fonady with Tanvi Chowdhury. Hope you find this conversation helpful.